Hi and welcome to Angie's Kinder Summer Academy video number 3. In this one, we're going to be counting objects. So remember that if you want a copy so that you can play along, the link is going to be in the description. So just have a parent come and click on that so you can work right along with Angie. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can see our daily activities. And without much further ado, here's Angie.
Hello, everyone. My name's Angie, and I'm in Angelica, and I'm 4 years old. And thank you. And I'm gonna do activity today, so thank you for joining me.
Oh, you're so nice. Okay, ready? Do you know what the activity is going to be about? Do you remember?
This
I know, but what is it about? What are you going to do on this one? Hold on.
numbers.
Numbers? What does that mean?
It means we have to count all of these and see how much.
Yeah, and then you're going to type the number in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we're not gonna miss one.
You're not going to miss one? Okay. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Good.
8 presents.
8 presents.
Why is it so small?
I don't know. It's a small number.
Let me count these stars. First, I need to click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars?
Yeah. You keep going. You don't have to ask Mama. You know how to count.
Wee. And beep. What is this?
What do you think?
I don't know. We have to wait all the way until the end of the watermelon.
Do you want to take a guess on what it could be?
Not yet. After we're at the end.
Okay.
How looks like French fries?
Kind of looks like French fries? Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good guess.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. They kind of look like candy.
They kind of look like candy?
Yeah,
Okay.
because they look delicious.
How do you make 10?
It is 1 and 0. 1 and 0. Enter. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers!
All right. What color are the flowers?
Yellow.
There's 9 yellow flowers. Cool, huh?
9. 9, 10. 8, 6, 10, 9.
Good.
1, 2. I like the arrows jumping. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 popcorn.
7 popcorns.
Let me press 7. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna go sneeze.
You can sneeze. Just put your hand up. Go ahead.
So nobody sees my sneeze.
It's okay if they see you sneeze. You can just cover your face.
Okay, I don't need to sneeze. Is that popcorn or French fries?
What?
This, the picture.
I don't know. What do you think?
Maybe it's popcorn, like yummy popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
I hope it's yummy because I don't want to eat it for real because it's not good for you.
Popcorn is not good for you? Okay.
No, because that has sugar.
Oh, well, yeah, the one we eat, we like popcorn with sugar. Most people eat popcorn with butter here.
Sometimes we eat one with butter. Sometimes we eat one with sugar.
Yeah.
Remember that time when I slapped Sebo when I was a little baby? I was like, yeah. I wanted to slap him on the face.
Okay, yeah, that was very nice.
No.
Who's Seba?
My brother.
Your brother.
And he thinks babies are gross.
He does? I don't think so.
babies are not gross. When I was a baby, I hope he didn't think I was gross.
He did not think you were gross.
But he thinks babies are gross.
I don't think so.
Yes, he does.
Okay, keep going. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
I'm learning how to use your computer.
You are. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you have fun?
10 strawberries.
How do you know that's 10?
Because
How? How did you know that? You didn't count.
I didn't need to because I already know.
Why? Can you explain why you know?
Because
Tell your friends. How do you know that's 10?
Because I count these before and I know that these are 10.
That is really smart. Wow, that was a good job.
We're so close to the end.
How about this one? Does that one?
Popcorn! This
Okay.
is popcorn, I think.
Keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 again.
Mm-hmm.
It's red. Oh, now it's blue. Dark blue. This is the last one.
That's the last one.
I hope this is popcorn. There's only one more missing.
Okay, so how many do you think it is if there's only one missing?
1, 9.
Wow, that was some really good math there without counting. And what'd you get?
Popcorn.
Oh, do you love it?
It's popcorn.
You know who made this picture?
Who?
Mama's friend Julianne. Can you say thank you?
Thank you. Am I talking to Ali too?
You're talking to everyone, all your friends. Okay, say it was fun playing with you.
It was fun playing with you.
See you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
Do you want to say anything before I stop the recording?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I want to say goodbye and then I'm going to say have a nice day and then I'm going to say one more thing.
Okay, we'll say it.
Bye. Have a nice day. One last thing.
What?
I love you.
Who? You love who?
I love your friends.
Oh, good.
Thank you so much for playing with us and joining us. I hope you had a blast just like Angie did, counting up all these items and getting your picture of popcorn in the end. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying these, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!